Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
Tickmill positions itself as a broker, built for traders who prioritize execution speed, tight spreads, and transparency rather than flashy bonuses or aggressive marketing. One of the platform's standout strengths is execution quality. Orders are generally filled quickly with minimal slippage, even during volatile market conditions, which is critical for news traders, scalpers, and short-term strategies that rely on precise entry and exit timing. Many traders highlight the consistency of fills and the overall stability of the trading environment during high liquidity sessions. Tickmill supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, making it highly compatible with expert advisors, custom indicators, and automated trading systems. This is a strong advantage for traders who rely on algorithmic strategies or prefer a familiar, professional trading interface. Leverage can go as high as 1 to 1,000 depending on jurisdiction, providing flexibility for smaller accounts, though it requires disciplined risk management. The broker also supports multiple base currencies, helping traders avoid unnecessary conversion fees, and offers Islamic swap-free trading for those who need it. Another positive is Tickmill's operational simplicity. The platform avoids unnecessary distractions, focusing instead on core trading functionality. Deposit and withdrawal processes are generally described as predictable, with traders often noting consistent processing times compared to less established brokers. This reliability matters for traders who value access to their funds without delays or excessive manual intervention. On the downside, Tickmill is not a feature-heavy ecosystem. You won't find the integrated copy trading networks, social feeds, or advanced analytics dashboards built into the platform. Educational resources exist but remain fairly basic, which may challenge complete beginners who need structured learning support. Promotions and bonuses are limited, which some traders appreciate for transparency, while others may view it as a lack of onboarding incentives. In terms of background, Tickmill was founded in 2014 and has steadily built a reputation around institutional-style pricing and execution quality. Over time, it has expanded its regulatory presence and global client base, with a clear focus on professional and cost-conscious traders rather than casual speculators. This conservative growth strategy has helped Tickmill maintain consistency rather than chasing rapid expansion. Now, looking at account structure and pricing. Tickmill offers a commission-free option where trading costs are embedded directly into the spread, appealing to traders who prefer simple, predictable pricing. For traders who want tighter pricing precision, there is a raw spread option where spreads can drop to zero during liquid market hours, paired with a low fixed commission per lot. Minimum deposits remain relatively accessible, allowing traders to start without oversized commitments. Overall, Tickmill's pricing structure rewards disciplined, cost-aware traders who value execution reliability and low trading costs over flashy features and marketing extras. VALUTRADES takes a slightly different approach, positioning itself as a true ECN-style broker with an emphasis on transparency, infrastructure, and trader empowerment. From a feature perspective, VALUTRADES strongly markets its direct market access model, aiming to deliver raw pricing sourced from liquidity providers without internal price manipulation. Execution quality is a central selling point, with many traders highlighting tight spreads and consistent fills during normal and active market conditions. VALUTRADES supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, maintaining compatibility with automated strategies, expert advisors, and advanced charting tools. The platform environment feels familiar to experienced traders, with no forced proprietary software or platform lock-in. This simplicity works well for traders who value control and technical flexibility rather than built-in analytics or social trading layers. A notable feature is VALUTRADES' allowance for scalping, news trading, and algorithmic strategies without restrictions. This makes it attractive to short-term traders who need freedom in execution behavior. The broker also offers trading signals and additional tools, which some users find helpful for confirmation rather than dependency. Deposit and withdrawal processes are often described as smooth, with multiple funding methods available, contributing to operational confidence. However, ValueTrades is not designed as a feature-heavy ecosystem. There are no social feeds, copy trading hubs, or advanced analytics dashboards. The interface prioritizes functionality over aesthetics, which works well for seasoned traders but may feel basic to beginners. Educational resources are present but limited in scope, meaning newer traders may need external learning support. ValueTrades was established in 2013 and has built its reputation around being a no-frills ECN broker rather than a mass-market retail platform. Its growth has been steady rather than aggressive, focusing on execution consistency and client trust instead of promotional expansion. This long-term positioning has helped ValueTrades maintain credibility among traders who prioritize infrastructure over marketing. Now moving into pricing and account structure. ValueTrades offers two primary account types, the standard account and the ECN account. The standard account incorporates costs into spreads and carries no commission, making it simpler for traders who prefer predictable pricing. The ECN account provides raw spreads from zero with a fixed commission per lot, designed for high-frequency traders, scalpers, and cost-sensitive strategies. There is no minimum deposit requirement, which lowers the barrier to entry and allows traders to scale at their own pace. Leverage is available up to higher limits depending on jurisdiction, and fee structures remain relatively transparent without layered charges. Looking at independent customer sentiment helps clarify the differences. Tickmill holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.6, with traders frequently praising execution speed, stable platforms, and consistent spreads. Positive feedback often mentions smooth withdrawals and dependable trading conditions, while criticism typically focuses on limited features rather than trust concerns. ValueTrades carries a Trustpilot rating of 4.8, with many traders highlighting excellent customer support, true ECN execution, and tight spreads. Reviews often emphasize transparency, responsiveness, and confidence in trade execution, with occasional feedback pointing to the platform's simplicity rather than shortcomings. Final takeaway: if you want an execution-focused broker with a clean, professional trading environment and predictable costs, Tickmill is an excellent choice for disciplined and active traders. If your priority is true ECN execution, maximum transparency, and minimal broker interference, ValueTrades offers a compelling alternative with strong trader trust. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that best fits how you trade, manage risk, and grow with confidence over the long term.